Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Today I have a whole slew of 3D pens by Protomon Technologies. These are their Melt 3D series of 3D pens. So they have the Doodler, the Crafter and also the Artisan pens. So let's check them out in this video. These are Melt 3D's array of 3D pens. There are 3 models, Doodler, Crafter and Artisan. Let's start with the Doodler. This is Melt 3D's easy to use 3D pen with a simple design. Opening the box, we get a set of 3 filaments. A manual, USB-A to barrel port charging cable, a stand for the 3D pen, and here's the Doodler 3D pen itself. The top has the power connector and the filament input hole. We have the Melt 3D branding here, and these buttons help set the temperature and also the type of filament we are using. This sliding control allows setting the filament release speed. These 2 buttons on the side, the one towards the nozzle runs the motor to extrude the filament within, and if you want to eject the filament, tap on the opposite button. The 3D pen requires power of 5 volts, 2 amps. These are the colors available for the Doodler model. We have orange and white, black and yellow, purple and white, pink and white, light blue and white, black and white, and this one is a bit different with a world map on the main body. Looks really nice. I have connected the adapter and we can see the red LED here light up. It shows PLA on the screen and the pen supports both PLA and ABS. The filaments provided in the box are PLA. Hit the forward button and the pen starts to heat up. PLA melts at 190 degrees centigrade and the pen needs to reach that temperature before we can use it. Once the pen hits 190 degrees, the LED turns green. I am feeding the filament in through the ingest hole and the motor pulls it in automatically. There is a transparent plastic seal and once that melts, the red filament is visible oozing through the nozzle. Now you can start creating your shapes. I am making a simple cube. Yes, it's awful. Tap on the down button again to stop the filament from flowing through. We can also have raised sides and the filament stays in 3D space. Example, I'm using a pen for support and once I remove it, the filament retains that shape. Melt 3D also have a deluxe box available for the same Doodler model and this comes with a reusable drawing board and its own pen. A book with some cool designs to start off with. Plastic sheet which would help protect the book or your table from the filament. Manual. Pin for cleaning the nozzle. Safety scissors, 3D pen stand, power adapter, silicone finger caps. Here's the 3D pen and we have 20 filaments within this box. Now let's use the pen with the included design book. I'm making this butterfly. Came out fine, I guess. And this is what my kids made. Here's a SpongeBob, the design of which is available in the book provided. The 3D pen kept my daughter busy for hours, especially as schools are closed at present, so they're not bored and have something to do. Next in line are these Melt 3D Crafter pens. These have a cute little animal figure on top. In the box we have the Crafter 3D pen, 3 PLA filaments, power adapter, micro USB cable. The micro USB connector looks longer than normal. Here's the 3D pen. We have this cute little bunny head on top. The top also has the power port and a filament inlet hole. We also have this stand which helps us place the pen on the table. The other design is this cute tiger head. The tiger head has a rubberized feel as compared to the bunny head. These are the models and colors available. There are 2 tiger models and 2 bunny models. 3D pen wise, they work similar to the Doodler. Once the power is connected, we have this amber light blinking indicating that the nozzle is heating up. Once ready, the LED turns green. Insert the filament and tap on the down button to activate the motor and the filament now starts to exit the nozzle. And this is how you would use it. These 3D pens look really cute and would impress small kids. The third model is the Artisan and is touted to be the thinnest 3D pen from the Melt 3D series. metal casing and can be used with a power bank. It has an OLED screen, 14 mm thickness and only 45 grams of weight, and it uses 10 watts of power. The pen is available in silver, black, gold and rose gold. I have two with me, one is black and the other is silver. Nice tactile buttons. The nozzle has a cap which is cool. It gives it the look of an actual pen. We have the Melt 3D branding here. We have a power port and filament hole here. Also in the box is a manual, 3 PLA filaments, a screwdriver to help clean the nozzle if clogged, a USB to barrel port power cable, power adapter. This 3D pen can be used with a power bank too, as long as it can output 5 volts 2 amps. This is the OLED screen. Let's connect the power. Before inserting the filament, let's trim the end to make it completely flat, as I have used this filament earlier. This allows the filament to enter easily and not clog the nozzle. Tap on the down button and we can see the temperature increase. Once it reaches 190 degrees, then the filament is pulled in. The seal in front of the pen has melted off and we can see the yellow filament flow through. Here we go, and we can start printing. We can now print as we normally do. Tap the down button and the filament stops flowing. So that was the Artisan 3D pen. So those were the 3D pens under the brand Melt 3D by Protobond Technologies. You have the Doodler, you have the Crafter, and also you have the Artisan. So the core functionality between these 3D pens are the same except for the build and the design. You would not go wrong choosing any one of them. Also note that the end of the nozzle does get hot, so make sure your children don't touch that end and make sure that you supervise them when they're using it. Links to the products are available in the description. So which of these 3 models would you pick up for your kids? Make sure to comment below. Also make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.